You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
Over here at Mexico Racing League again. I feel like I was just here yesterday. Oh, you know what? That's because I was just here yesterday. We're loading up, getting ready to go to Cletus and Cars. We're gonna take the MRL car, which I'm actually gonna drive. Are you still gonna let me drive that tonight?
Yeah, absolutely.
So there you go.
Out, literally.
I'm driving. Hopefully not literally, but I do expect some physical harm to my body tonight.
Maybe a broken arm. There's no insurance.
I brought Advil, I brought some Band-Aids, and a helmet.
You're gonna need the Advil. You might need a tech shot. Highly questionable.
Was that a flood car? That was a flood car, wasn't it? Is there poop still in the carpet?
We got the airbags. Don't worry, man.
We took the airbags out just in case.
Big vapor rub.
So that's what we're doing tonight. We're gonna do the demo derby with the MRL car. Mexico Racing League colors and logo. And if that wasn't enough, my boy did me right and gave me the hookup on some Bullet WS6 exhaust here.
Look at that.
You must have known I was wanting to drive this when
Destiny,
you built that.
Bro, Destiny.
Destiny, yeah. It's gonna be fun. Quality performance exhaust going on here.
I have a feeling this thing ain't going anywhere for a long time. We'll see.
Yeah. We'll see how bad I beat it up tonight. That's the question.
Do your worst.
Look at that exhaust work. Get this thing loaded. Oh, usually this is a lot easier with the T-top.
The struggle.
Okay.
Imagine trying to get back in.
I'm just gonna push it out. I'm just gonna let it roll out. This is his garage, Mexico Racing League Aces. We are ready. Let's go. Cletus and Cars, Houston. Case we get.
Did they leave the AC in it?
Yeah. Yeah, AC, baby. Nice and cold. Street car. Wow. That's how it lopes. Flash said he's gonna teach me how to drive a real car.
Yeah.
We'll start with the MRL first.
Might go low H before you do.
CFIT. Where are we supposed to take these things at?
She's a beauty.
Is she? You like it?
I love it.
Did we do a nice job on it?
Yeah, you did great.
You're approved.
It's awesome.
We tried to get fancy with a Cletus exhaust, but it, you know.
Yeah.
We lost a valve somewhere. I'm not sure where.
That's awesome.
It's got some muscle. I just don't know. Oh man, I don't know if I can show this on YouTube because it's like pornographic, basically. Are you signing MRL? Or are you signing Flash?
MRL. Am I doing it right?
No, a little more wiggle.
A little more movement.
A little more movement. All right, I think I got it.
No, not even close. You gotta do. It's gotta be like.
All right, bet.
All right.
Got this Saturn over here. Looks like it's on some fast exhaust. What's all done to this thing?
Man, well, you know, we did a nice little cat delete, some up pipes. Probably added about 75 horsepower.
Yeah.
If I had to guess myself, I ordered a K&N kit from Summit, but it didn't come in. So we're kind of just running with what we got. Kind of put it together myself.
What transmission's in it?
I think it got the power glide in it. It only has 1 gear.
1 gear. How much power do you think it's putting out?
Man, if I had to guess, with the mods that we have, weight reduction and everything, I think it's probably pushing like 350. Probably bust off a solid 11 if I had to guess myself.
Sounds good. All right, now that all the fun's over, now we get to have some real fun. Our competition out here in the field. We got a, oh look, little Lightning McQueen going on right here. I'm not, oh.
Oh man, police.
Oh Lord.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that one's gonna be fun.
Upgraded
It's a
chassis.
cop car. Cop car.
Yeah, look at that, that's reinforced.
Cop car. Okay.
This one
El
has
Camino.
a safety net. So,
That's good.
bro, he's running 2 batteries.
Okay. A lot of Mountain Dew going on there. Ooh, that is a hefty car. I need to avoid this car.
Bro.
Hurt.
That's gonna hurt. Got some stiff competition.
Yeah. It looks like I'm gonna be dodging.
Okay.
Okay. I gotta get out in front. Slam on the brakes. See them coming, I'm already putting in drive because
Yeah.
I'm expecting it.
Okay, okay.
And then we're getting out of there because I don't want to be anywhere.
I mean, look at this.
Probably go up there, turn it around, and just put it in reverse. And
Give
play it in
dodge
reverse.
dive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Go time.
We got knocked out first round.
Thank you all so much for coming.
Not
James,
because
Cooper, and I
we
will be
didn't
heading
try.
back to the trailer shortly.
The car ran.
We will see you there.
Shut
We'd be
off,
happy
and then it
to
never started
take
again.
a picture with you guys, give you an autograph.
There's just no way of getting in.
Whatever,
It
we'll
still
stay as
runs.
long as we have to get to
Yeah,
all
it'll
you
still
guys.
run
So,
if we can get in there.
Thank you all so much again. What an amazing
It just
time.
clicks. Oh, there it is.
That was a pretty good solid hit you took.
Oh yeah, it hurt.
You hurt?
Yeah. I guess now the plan is to try to jump the car so we can get back in the trailer. But my ass hurts, so we're ending the video here. So that's it. Peace.